everybody, welcome back to Guarantee RV. We are located here in Junction City, Oregon, between Corvallis and Eugene, right off of the Highway 99. Today I'm going to show you a closer look at the Miramar by Thor. This is a 35.2 floor plan, 35-foot coach, really great floor plan if you want for a nice family, a lot of sleeping arrangements. Let me show you real quick some of the storage. You've got really nice pass-through storage here, and you've got 2 or 3 bays of that. And you also have outside entertainment. This is a television right up here. Has your awning toppers the entire length of the slide out. Plus it has a nice large awning, electric awning that's going to give you provide you lots of great shade while you're enjoying your coach at your campsite. Full-length ladder. You have your backup camera, tow hitch. You have a 5500 Onan generator. This is a 50 amp power cord service. This is the other side to the pass-through storage. Oh, excuse me, that's your wet bay. And this is the other side there. So tons of storage space on the outside of this coach. Let's go on head on the inside and I'll show you the floor plan. So again, folks, we are in the 35.2 Miramar by Thor. This is an absolutely great family-friendly floor plan. You've got a couple recliners here with some nice cup holders with seat belts. People can relax and enjoy the ride. This goes down into a bed, plus it has storage underneath. It goes down to a bed very easily, plus you got your built-in cup holders. This is a pull-out queen bed, so again, ample sleeping arrangements, plus again, you see you got your seat belts there. Really cool feature here is that it has a TV lift right here. So you can use this as countertop when it's not in use, or this pulls up when the power's on, when the engine's going, and it'll lift up to show you the TV. Right above there, that is another sleeping arrangement. So that bed comes down to provide another sleeping space. The captain's chairs both turn around. Really beautiful kitchen space. You've got your induction cooktop, lots of kitchen storage space. Below here, lots of nice drawers. Cabinets above, you've got a beautiful double stainless steel sink, and then a beautiful Corian countertop. Nice residential fridge by Whirlpool. This is something that I really love. It's a great feature to have in coaches. It's the multiplex system. You can basically control all of your lights. You can control the slide out. You can control and see how your tanks are doing. You can control basically everything you need to right from this system right here. Really nice, beautiful bathroom in this coach. You've got a full-length mirror here. Over on this side, you do have a spot for a washer and dryer if you so decide to do that. Or these shelves are removable and you could just use it for extra closet space. Tons of storage in this master bedroom. Plus you've got the bed lift. This is a nice king-size bed, so very comfy, cozy when you're sleeping. Tons of storage above the bed area. Plus look at all the cupboard space you have. There's your extra table for the front. And then you've got 4 full-length drawers here at the bottom, plus 2 right here, plus 2 more. I mean, there's just so much storage space, and you just can't get enough storage in coaches. Plus, you have storage right underneath the TV. That lifts up. Great use of space right there. Hey again, this is the 2019 Miramar by Thor. This is a 35.2 floor plan. My name is Emily McKinnon. If you want to learn more about this coach or want to schedule a test drive, it's a really fun coach to drive, please give us a call at the number on your screen. The direct number for the Motorhome department is 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519, and until we see you next time, please enjoy the road.